Welcome to our detailed review of the Audi A6, a masterpiece that seamlessly combines luxury, sophistication, and performance. Join us as we delve deep into the world of this exceptional sedan, exploring its design, technology, performance, and everything in between. Let's begin by admiring the exterior design of the Audi A6. From the first glance, the A6 captivates with its sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, featuring distinctive lines and contours that exude elegance and sportiness. The signature single-frame grille, flanked by striking LED headlights, commands attention wherever it goes, setting the standard for luxury sedans. Stepping inside, the Audi A6 reveals a world of opulence and refinement. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, boasting premium materials, impeccable craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The spacious interior offers a serene environment for both driver and passengers, with luxurious seating, ambient lighting, and advanced acoustics that elevate the driving experience to new heights. The centerpiece of the Audi A6's interior is the advanced infotainment system, featuring a high-definition touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates with the vehicle's controls and functions. From navigation to multimedia, connectivity to personalization, the Audi MMI system provides intuitive access to a wealth of features, ensuring a connected and seamless driving experience. Now, let's talk about performance, the heart and soul of the Audi A6. Under the hood, the A6 offers a range of powerful engine options, each delivering a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. Whether it's the spirited acceleration of the turbocharged engines or the dynamic handling of the Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Audi A6 inspires confidence and excitement behind the wheel. The driving dynamics of the Audi A6 are nothing short of exceptional. With its responsive steering, precise handling, and adaptive suspension, the A6 strikes a harmonious balance between comfort and agility, making every journey a delightful experience. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the open road, the Audi A6 delivers a driving performance that is truly captivating. Safety is paramount in the Audi A6, with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems that provide peace of mind on every drive. From adaptive cruise control to lane departure warning, Audi PRE-Sense to parking assistance, the A6 leverages cutting-edge technology to enhance safety and security.
Technology reigns supreme in the Audi A6, with a host of innovative features that redefine the driving experience. The virtual cockpit display offers customizable information at your fingertips, while the Audi Connect system keeps you connected to the digital world on the go. Wireless charging, smartphone integration, and the premium Bang & Olufsen sound system elevate the Audi A6 to a class of its own. The Audi A6 is a luxury sedan that transcends expectations, combining style, performance, technology, and safety in a harmonious package. Whether you seek comfort, excitement, or sophistication, the Audi A6 delivers on all fronts, redefining the essence of driving luxury. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the Audi A6. Drive with purpose, drive with passion, Audi A6.